Hello, and thank you for joining us here at the Soaring Scarves Academy. This is the scarf dance for Camille Saison's Carnival of Animals, the finale. So I'm looking for you to be standing up tall, have your eyes on me, have your bodies calm, and make sure you have a scarf that we can smooth out together. Start at one corner, and we'll go smooth, 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 smooth. Next corner, do it again. Smooth, 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 smooth. Next corner, smooth, 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 smooth. Last time, smooth, 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 smooth. Make your hand into a C and go up, 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 up. Do it again, and up, 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 up. Just as a reminder, whatever I'm doing with my scarf is what you're doing with your scarf. So if my scarf is behind my back, where's yours? If mine's at my shoulder, above my head, standing up nice and tall, ready for the Carnival of Animals by Camille Saison's, the finale. We're going to start on our tiptoes. So have your scarf up tall, tiptoes. We're going to turn in one circle here. Ready? Alrighty, here we go. Up tall. And the music will start. Take a listen. Beautiful. Up tall, tall, tall. Start with a turn. Turn, turn, turn. Down and up, down and up, down and up, down and up. Wiggle down, side to side. And up, side to side. Up, side to side. Take a turn, turn. Add your feet. Go tip, 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 tip. Tip, 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 tip. Last time. Circle. Start low. Go down to the top. Back down. Round your body. Down to the top. Back down. To the side. Down. Make it a big one. Other way. Run it. Show me. How fast can you go? Beautiful. Circle. You might remember this part. Add your feet. Tip, tip, tip. Circle. Run it. Backwards. Freeze. Up. Freeze. Circle. Do two. One more. Circle, circle, circle. To the top. Step out. Out, 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 out. Bring it down. Want you to hold it nice and long. We're going to pop it up. You ready? And pop, 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 pop. Back down. Make it really bouncy. Can you turn it? How fast? Faster than that. To the top. Bring it down. To the top. Bring it down. Roll it up. We're going to do some jumping jacks. I hope you're ready. Jump out. Jump, 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 jump. Up. Take a bow. Fantastic job. All right, I want you to roll your scarf up tight, tight, tight. Even tighter than that. Squeeze it, almost so that you don't even see that there is anything there. All righty, as long as you are following along with me, doing your best, working your hardest, then you have earned your magical, musical scarf wish. It can be anything that you want. Mine always seems to be the same. Hopes that you join us again next time for another scarf dance. Have a good one. Make your wish. Bye.